I think hindi lang po the school failed, everybody failed. Sen Risa, pag nakakotse daw, diretso sa hallway yung bata sa classroom. Pag naka-tricycle, naka-pedicab o naglalakad, dadaan sa katakot-takot na screening, may mga metal detector. I think hindi lang po the school failed, everybody failed. Sa school, uh, the family, the parents failed. Relatives of guardians of those children failed. Failed, the reason why I said failed, because yung sa school, given na po yung sa security, may lapses po sila. As what I have heard, if I'm not mistaken, Sen Risa, pag nakakotse daw, diretso sa hallway yung bata sa classroom. Pag naka-tricycle, naka-pedicab o naglalakad, dadaan sa katakot-takot na screening, may mga metal detector. Pero pag nakasasakyan, lalo na pag mamahaling sasakyan, bababa yung bata, sasaludo na lang yung gwardiya, diretso na sa hallway, diretso na. So I think that was the entry point. Pangalawa, the teachers also failed. Narinig na pala na nagbanta yung bata na babariling yung school. Walang action, di ba? Sana tama ka, Sen Riza, we have to have a law siguro or policy. Tulad po yung mga bomb threat sa mga airports, di ba? Pag may narinig na nagbibiro lang, talaga the authorities take it seriously, di ba? Siguro yung security ng school should have taken it seriously, or the teacher should have reported this matter to the security of the school. And then school should have reported it to the PNP para nakita kung sa na-prevent, natawagan yung magulang. And then, yun po, yung failure ng magulang, yung firearm holder po, nagkaroon ng problema. Siguro kaya I am filing a bill, Sen. Risa, na ika nga that gun owners, yung kanilang mga baril na nagamit ng minor for inflicting injury or cause of death, ay makakasuhan din. Naman napapanagot ng homicide due to reckless imprudence dahil hindi niya tinago na mabuti yung kanyang baril. And also siguro yung parents po, because we're so busy, because we have work, we're so engrossed with many things in life. Napapabayaan na ho natin mga anak natin. We don't talk to them. We don't communicate with our children. Siguro po once in a while, we have to say, kumusta anak, di ba? I mean, over dinner, over lunch, or during weekend. Just ask our child. This should be a lesson for everybody, for every parent attending here and listening to this hearing. Please talk to your children, talk to your child. Kung nag-iisa po yan, you think he's okay or she's okay, para malaman ho ninyo what's going on inside his or her mind. Malay mo, hindi po siya violente, pero deep down inside, he or she wants to end his or her life. There's so many instances, there's many things like that. The mga kabataan ngayon, they're so fragile. It is because napapabayaan po natin, we don't communicate with them because we're so busy. The dad is busy with work, the mom is busy with work or business, leaving the child to the yaya, to the katulong, or to somebody, to the grandma. We have to start acting now before it's too late. We have to start dealing with them, talking to them. Kahit once a week lang ho, how's school anak? I do that to my child. I talk to them. How are you? How's school? Everything okay? Uh, Kahit na po nakikita ho ninyo na very accomplished po yung mga anak natin o mga apo natin, very accomplished sila sa school. It doesn't mean to say because they're accomplished in school, they're honor roll. Example po yan sa Zamboanga. Nasa honor siya, nasa sports siya, nasa athlete siya. How many stories have we read? Sports athletes, mga professional athletes, but then they end their lives. Actors, actresses in Korea. Students here in the Philippines, mga dalaga, mga binata, di ba? They just when students, they just want to end their lives. There's something po eh. So we have to communicate. We have because people like this who are depressed, they have problems, hindi na po nila makayanan siguro yung problema. So they need somebody. Hindi lang kaso mo, Senrisa, wala pong kumakausap. Walang mother, walang father because the parents are busy. Ayaw nilang istorbohin, baka natatakot yung bata or the mom. Please, please, before it's too late, talk to your children, talk to your son, all of them. Kung yung isa malungkutin, talk to the child. Kung yung isa masiglahin, still talk to the child because we'll never know. Because that might be the last day. The last day that he or she leaves for school, that's the last day that you see him or her alive. So we all failed. Everybody failed. Yung sa Tacloban at saka sa Zamboanga. Thank you.